In our last report, we told you about the veteran actor Kader Khan's health have been worsening and the actor has now been put on a BiPAP ventilator. Not just that, according to the reports, the actor is suffering from breathlessness and he has been shifted from a normal ventilator to a special ventilator. And as per the sources, he cannot talk and is also showing signs of pneumonia. But recently, actor Amitabh Bachchan, who has acted with Khan in the films like Do Aur Do Panch and Parvarish, wrote an emotional post. He wrote, Kader Khan, actor, writer of immense talent, lies ill in hospital. Prayers and duas for his well-being and recovery. Saw him perform on stage, welcomed him and his prolific writing for my films, Great Company, A Libran and Many Not Know. Taught mathematics. We would like to add on that last year Kader had undergone a knee surgery that did not go as planned, and since then the actor has reportedly not been able to walk. The actor resides with his son Sarfraz and daughter-in-law Shahishta. We wish Kader Khan a speedy recovery. Well, for more updates on Bollywood, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. It's a Jazz report from Next 10 World.